This is my quick review of the ONNAIS Iron SE pistol safe. It's a biometric pistol safe, meaning it can take a fingerprint for entry, and it also has these push button locks for entry, so very convenient to have multiple different ways of entry. You have the fail-safe key entry as well. Comes with screws to mount this inside of whatever cabinet or wall you're trying to hook this up. Also has a cable attachment if you need to mount this in a vehicle. This goes right in this little slot. Lock the door down and it's stuck in there. They've built it so that you're not supposed to be able to get a screwdriver in here. It's basically just to slow down, you know, keep the kids out. It's a really nice product. It's very heavy duty. I mean, it probably weighs 5 or 6 pounds. Has a nice little light on the inside when you open it properly. Yep, has a little blue light, not too bright. It also, you can silence the beeping, which is how I have it set up right now, just by hitting this OK button 3 times. If you'd like a little warning when somebody's trying to get in your gun safe, you can leave the beeps on. Also, programming for a new finger is super easy. You open the lock, so you can see that that finger doesn't work. That one does. Click the add button and put the finger on that you're trying to teach 6 times, and that is trained.
Alright guys, so this is the ONNAIS large biometric gun safe. So it's a fingerprint pistol safe with internal light, 3 lock and unlocking mechanisms. So you could do the code, you could do a key, and you could do your fingerprint, which is pretty cool. So it's made for like the bedside. Here we go, I just opened up the box here. And this is how it comes packaged, very, very well packaged. You see me here, I'm pulling out the safe. And there you see the front display there. You have your numbers, you have the fingerprint in the middle, and then you have your key holder there. Here's your key that comes in the packaging. Just open it up, take out your key. As you see on the front there, that's a bit of grease as they lubricated the safe. So here I've just popped the safe open. This is first glance at it. And you can see the whole front here. Nice open wide mechanism. Really good, really heavy duty. I really like this safe so far. So here's the inside here. There is a little opening here where you got to pop it open and put in a couple of AA's. I think it was 4 AA's I put in there. So once you put all the 4 AA's in, now you activate the light on the inside, and you activate the code and the fingerprint. See that? You see the little light that lit up there? Once I've got it in, I put the cap on. And there's your safe. So here it is. I use my fingerprint to open it. Again, the fingerprint to open it. And I also have the key and the code.
Definitely quick. Got tons of room. I got a spare mag, my Axis Elite Tier 1. All fit inside.
As you can see, it's a little tricky with the fingerprint. It depends on where you put your thumb when you made the scan, but it does work. Little difficult to close. All in all, not bad.
Just got the ONNAIS safe over here. Really good safe. Really nice weight to it. You can bolt it down to the floor, to the wall, however you want to get it done. Works by key, touchpad, biometric scanner. You can hold your important things in here. Your firearms, you can put in your passport, you know, your knives. It keeps everything nice and safe. Pretty good safe.
We hit that, we usually see our temp around 32, so we're not too far off from where we should be. Quite starting at Canvas Marshes this evening, so we're not seeing anything active right now. We did see a little bit of sleep earlier this evening, but right now we're starting to see a little bit of a break in the precip, but a lot of that is tracking towards the east right now. You notice down near southern Monroe County, we're seeing a mixed bag. Either it's sleet or some freezing drizzle there. But we are anticipating our second wave giving us a little bit more of a pumpkin mess tomorrow morning. So
Pistol safes with a key, they just aren't practical. Get rid of them. But that, ooh, you should probably look into getting an ONNAIS, because they nice.
And it felt so real that I couldn't let go. Where you ran me around like a motherfucking rodeo.
One,
2, 3.
Gonna close it. I will not close the latch.
Not good on vacation.
Nope.